So today we're going to go ahead and continue discussing the contrastive structure. In the last video, we talked about how it could be used to simplify your sentence. We don't have to keep signing those things over and over again, right? We can set them up and then continue. But sometimes we aren't talking about people. Sometimes we want to discuss different things. We want to talk about different topics, for example, your different classes. So we can set up one class on the left and one class on the right, and we can use that contrastive structure for that and make those things references. Okay, so we have math and science. And so we're going to go ahead and first start with all of our posters, and as always, that is going to be in capital letters for our gloss to distinguish away from our English. We don't want to get those confused when we're looking at them, right? So we say, I have math, and we're going to go ahead and point, and then to the right or to the left. Usually what happens if you're right-handed, right-hand dominant, you would point to the right first, left-hand dominant, left first. So now that I've informed you of the two topics, math over here and science over there, I can now comment on those things and kind of just point. I don't need to assign math and science again. This is the whole point of using references or the contrastive structure, so we don't have to keep reiterating those nouns or those topics. So I like math, and so I'm going to have to add in some writing. I don't have a lot of posters, so we would just write IX math. So I know, okay, I need to point to math. So math, like. And I don't need to sign I because this whole thing is about me. You know that this is about me telling you about my math classes or my math and science classes. So I don't need to incorporate another me in there. And when you write your IXs, you could also write left and right if that's easier for you. You just need to do it in a way that will help you remember which way to point. Right? I had to remember where was science. It's on the left. So science, go not. So altogether, I have math, science, this one I like, and this one I'm not going. Wait a minute. I don't want to go. Oh, oops. I don't have the want poster, so we'll just write that in. I don't want to go. Want not. I don't want to go. I got so confused as I was signing that. I was like, wait, this doesn't make sense. Turns out I forgot to sign. Okay, so this one I don't want to go to. So science I don't want to go. And you can sign that, want not or go not, or so want not go or go what not. So when we're using the contrastive structure, right, we're usually using about this so we can comment more things about it, right? I want to really compare these two things. This teacher's boring, it's awful, but this one is nice and friendly, and I like their class, and it's great, and I can keep talking about these topics. And so that's really the whole point of using this structure. And it's really important for all of you to practice using it because you can take advantage of it and it will help clarify your message for the, putting one idea or thought on one side and the other one on the other side. Me, the listener, can be like, okay, this is all math and that's all science, and I can see the division between the commentary. So, oh, you like this girl but not that girl, and I know maybe I forget the girl, but you're pointing to the other side, and so I can remember to separate those. You can see the positives, the negatives. It allows for that separation to occur to allow for a clear message. So the contrastive structure is a very important tool for you as it will clarify your signing. Oh, in the next video, we'll do one more example.